look at me, trying to get a hug out of sleeping in your t-shirt. He's not you, she's not me, and every time we see each other we wish we had said something first. I think we both should have said, hey, I know we had our ups and downs, smiles and frowns, but you're not all bad, and I don't think I'm.
What's going on, guys? Today be the part 2 of this install, the bags. All we gotta do today is run the airlines to the front and the back and install the bags. Should be a pretty easy job between coats, because you never know when you can run into a hiccup. But let's get this started. We're gonna jack up the car on all fours, and after that first we're gonna start the rear. The rear is pretty easy and simple if you worked on your Sentra before. It's just one bolt on each side, and on the front the 3 bolts and the 2 at the bottom. Since I am converting my Megan racing coilovers to the bag system, it's pretty easy, but the front is gonna take a little more time. You have to really assemble it, all of it, but stay tuned, guys. Okay, so car is all on fours. The rears are pretty easy to work on. So these are the rear Megan coilovers, and for the rear, all I'm gonna do is take off the spring. To do that, I'm just gonna where's it at? I'm just gonna go unbolt this one, and the same on the rear. So I'll go ahead and start that one, the rears, and then I'll show you how to convert your coilovers up front. There goes out the spring. Now to install the back of the Megan racing coilovers against the bag. Airtekk bags. Bag is a little taller. So now we're gonna put in the bag on both sides and then run the lines to see the measurements. Okay, update. The bags are in, the rears, sitting like that. Also on the other side. Bolts tight. Bags are also secured. Now to run the lines from the bottom up to the trunk. Okay, guys, second update. I drilled a hole to the carpet, or whatever this thing is. So the airlines can go through there from the ACU. Then they're gonna go down through here to the bags. You have 2. I used the one to the back. so I'm gonna use that one. So let me run the lines and I'll show you how they look. Okay, rears are done. Here goes the bag. The line, I zip tied it up here. There's the bag. The other side, I zip tied it up here. No, you want to keep a little bit of play on the airlines, and then you can tie them up. I also zip tied it up here. I didn't tie it all the way. I left the zip tie loose so you can so the airline can have some play whenever the car moves up and down. There's up. So now let's get the fronts going. Okay guys, we're gonna start the front. I disassemble the whole front piece because in case I drop the inside bolt, there you can see it. That bolt that goes to, there's 3 of them. There's 1, 2, and then the inside. That's why I took it off, because I didn't want to run the risk of dropping it in there and not be able to get it. So what we're gonna do is take off the whole coil. Probably just drop it. Yeah, we're gonna have to take it off, and we're gonna replace the bag, this spring with the bag. So I'll show you how it's done. So the airbags got sent wrong. I don't think it was airtek's fault, because Megan has 2 different size struts. So the hole in the bag is too big for the strut, so it just goes right through, as you can see. I don't think that's safe, but I called them, I contacted them, and they're gonna send me the right ones. Just gotta ship these back. But I asked if I can run the rears alone, and they said I can't, so I'll just stick running the rears for now and wait another week to run the front. That's it for this video, guys. Stay tuned.